I'm going to show you exactly how to change the language settings in your ChatGPT mobile app. To get started, make sure you are actually logged into your personal account. The important thing to remember is that if you are using the app in guest mode, these language settings won't be available to you, so sign in first. Once you're in, look at the main chat interface. You'll want to open the sidebar, usually found in the top corner, and then look all the way at the bottom for your profile icon or name. Tap on that to enter your account settings. Now, scroll down through the menu until you see the section labeled General. Click on that and you will see an option for language. When you tap it, a drop-down menu will appear with over 50 different options, including Spanish, French, Chinese, and Arabic. By default, ChatGPT usually auto-detects your browser or device language to make things easy, but you can manually override it here to whatever you prefer. Once you select your new language, the changes apply immediately. You'll notice that your menus and any new chats you start will now reflect that language choice. Now, that goes both ways in terms of how you interact with the AI. While changing the app language updates the interface, you might sometimes just want a quick translation without changing your whole setup. In that case, you can simply type a prompt like "reply in German" or "speak to me in Japanese" directly into a single chat thread. This is a great trick for temporary switches. However, for a permanent change to the buttons and settings you see every day, the internal menu is the way to go. If you ever want to switch back, just follow those same steps: Profile, General, and Language. Then toggle it back to your native tongue or the auto-detect setting. It's a very straightforward process that helps make the tool feel much more personal. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.